A blockage of the arteries can be caused by a blood clot or the formation of plaque from high levels of cholesterol in the blood. Both of these conditions require intensive and sustained treatment to clear the blockage. The number of people who have high blood pressure and bad cholesterol levels is increasing on a daily basis. This is a serious condition that is not easily detectable. However, experts believe it starts with damage or blocking to the inner layer of an artery. So there are numerous reasons why you are experiencing high levels of cholesterol, including too much smoking, heredity, poor diet, lack of exercise, obesity, large waist, and diabetes. However, there is a natural solution which will help you fight these issues. Who can use this remedy? People who cannot afford bypass surgery or can't go for bypass surgery. Prevention of repeated heart attacks. People diagnosed with heart blockage, heart disease. Suffering from constipation, ulcers. People who are looking for weight loss. The following natural mixture will cleanse your arteries, reduce the bad cholesterol levels, and lower the high blood pressure. It contains very powerful and natural ingredients which are extremely beneficial for better health conditions. So let's see what is waiting for us. Ingredients: ginger juice 1 cup 250 milliliters, garlic puree 1 cup/250 milliliters, lemon juice 1 cup/250 milliliters, apple cider vinegar 1 cup/250 milliliters, organic honey 2 cups. You can use any cup. Use the same cup to measure all the ingredients. Let's see this powerful and easy method. Firstly, you have to extract the juice from the ingredients. Secondly, take ginger juice, garlic juice, lemon juice, vinegar in a saucepan, and cook on medium heat for 30 minutes, and keep mixing. Thirdly, take it off heat, cool it completely. Finally, add 2 cups of honey, and mix well. Pour this in a clean bottle, and store in fridge. How to drink? Just drink 1 tablespoon of this tonic in an empty stomach, at every morning. You can also have 1 tablespoon in afternoon and night. You can store this in fridge for 1 to 2 months. Use clean dry spoons when handling this mixture. Garlic health benefits. Garlic reduces blood pressure, anti-block, reduces cholesterols, antibacterial properties, reduces sugar level, treats skin infection, reduce weight, treats respiratory problems and many more. Ginger health benefits. Preventing and curing heart disease, increase blood flow, reduces weight, increase energy, good for cold, cough and many more. Lemon health benefits. Regulates heartbeat, helps in proper functioning of heart, reduces weight, and many more. Health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Remove toxins from body, contains minerals, potassium, vitamins, and enzymes. Health benefits of honey: it reduces cholesterols, fights bacteria, energize body, antioxidants, reduce risk of cancer and heart disease. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel.